another stunning example of the Ferrari Purosangue. The Purosangue is Ferrari's four-wheel drive SUV, the very first, and they have done a fantastic job. This has got the all-important 6.5 V12 naturally aspirated engine, producing over 700 brake horsepower. So sometimes when you look at an SUV, you think it's practical, it's cool, I can use it every single day, but I've lost a little bit of that fire. With this, you haven't, not with the V12, not with the naturally aspirated engine. The sound that this car produces is magnificent. Performance, well, that goes without saying. But then the car itself, this is a 2024 74 registration with just 1,300 miles, less than 2,000 miles. That's all it's got. In the Nero Daytona, this is a fantastic colour. Metallic black, looks superb, and Ferrari do it so well. All the lines from the front down to the back, the hunches, it's got a very good sporty look about it. Defined and refined in every single way. Now this car has a humongous amount of specification. It also has the remainder of the 7-year Ferrari maintenance package and the warranty package as well that you do get with Ferrari. The car is stunning. First of all, you have got lots of ground clearance because it's an SUV. You've also got the front nose lift system as well, so you can raise that even further just to clear any more bigger speed humps or if you're getting on a steep drive. You've then got unique detailing here with that fusion blue daytime running lights, lots of venting going on to cool that engine. So just underneath here, it sucks in air through here, above there, that cools down the wheel areas and it blows it back out again just before the doors start. Front rear parking sensors, LED headlights, and then you have the Ferrari badging on the front. That's just one thing. You've got 360 camera system. A very, very expensive optional extra, which is very rare and hard to find, is the Allestimento hand-painted shields. That's the Scuderia shields here, and they are completely hand-painted, and what a beautiful, unique finish to make this car even a bit more special. Away from that, you've got the staggered 22-inch and 23-inch wheels with the diamond turned and the matte black finish. Behind there, you have the carbon ceramic brakes. You've then got the yellow brake calipers, which look stunning. There's a housing and casing for the arches. Again, with a matte finish against the metallic black, it looks really good. Some protection glass. You've then got the front doors with soft opening, but take a look at this. Rear hinged, rear doors. I think that look on this car is special because it's a Ferrari SUV. It doesn't want to be like every other car, absolutely not. And just this opening alone, it sets everything, it just sets it apart a bit more for me. You've got your normal tracker fobs, your two keys, the beautiful detailing with the yellow stitching, the Alcantara, but then you've also got leather seats as well. The prancing horse at the top there with the Purosangue stitched in the headrest, and that's on all four headrests. You've then got this beautiful finish to the center display of the driver's zone and the passenger, because this car does have passenger display. The nose lifting system, it's very minimalistic, but very futuristic. It's very modern. The technology in this car has not been left behind in any way, shape or form. Fully fitted mats front and rear. I don't want to touch on the condition too much for the simple reason the car is like new in every single way. So here's a passenger display which gives you the heated seats. You can do your DAB, your navigation, vehicle controls. It's pretty cool. You've then got the climate area here, all touch sensitive, and you can press the eject button here and this pops up nice and slowly. Everything works just nice and slow here, unlike the car which is really fast. You've got lots of piano black. That stitching, the leather, it's everywhere, including the full roof lining is leather. And then you've got your sun visors, again with that very detailed yellow stitching. Down below, if you look back in here, you'll see they've got this lovely gear shifter from the olden days, but it's just electronic shifters. And the way it pulsates, so I can't do it now because I'm sat here, but when you're flicking through automatic to manual or reverse, a little red light just sort of pulsates through. Nice little touch. Electric windows, centre armrest, all wrapped in Alcantara, and you have more cubbyhole space there with the charging port. And then you've got this huge, very expensive, I think that cost about £12,000, this panoramic glass roof. But it's a must-have, it's needed, it lets lots of light in and you can change the colours on it, and it's fascinating really. But the car itself is fascinating because it's a Ferrari Purosangue. Now, as I get into the back, if you're going to buy this for your friends, your family, maybe you have kids, you have got ISOFIX attachments here. Like the front, all the way in here, the rear passengers have their own little gadget. So you can press the eject button, that pops up, they can control the seat, the lighting. It's really cool. And again, like the front, they've got the little cubby hole, wireless charging pad and charging ports. Now these seats aren't just ordinary seats. I almost feel like I'm sat in a driver's seat. That's how nice and sporty they are. If you look down here, you've got all the adjustments, the leather, the Alcantara, lots of leg room, and they do recline as well. Now, when I go to close the door, I don't need to stretch. Absolutely not. It's a Ferrari. I pay a lot of money for it. I want to be able to just press one button. And by doing this, electronically, it will close. It is that simple. To open, again, there's electronically assisted motor there. So there's a button that you press just here, and then you literally push it. I mean, no force is needed whatsoever. You've also got the quarter windows, which is then letting in more light. This panoramic glass roof is the full length of the roof, so again, that's letting in so much light. But it's such a cool place to be in. Every part of it is just super premium, super luxurious, and so much of an elite type of vehicle. From the outside, you can just literally press that, and then electronically, it'll just close for you. Again, it's just an effortless car in every single way. If you look at the rear haunch here, that there is like a muscle on your arm, on your leg. It's just beautifully sculptured. Round the back, it's got a fantastic look. Again, slimline LED rear lighting system, quad tailpipes with the sport tailpipes in black, that rear diffuser, top spoiler, and then you've got the boot space. And I think this is where the Purosangue it works. A lot of my clients who want a supercar, but they want the boot space to put a little bit of shopping in there, push chairs, go away for the weekend, because in normal supercars, you can't really do that because the trunk in the front is this big and you can just about get one hold all in there. But in here, you can see, not a problem. I think it's absolutely fantastic. It really is. And then to combine that with such little miles, if you look at the spec plaque, because I haven't touched on all the spec, because every single Ferrari is different. No two Ferraris are the same, as a matter of fact. And that one shows you exactly what it's got. I will put the picture up on our website as well, but do get in touch with me and I'd be happy to talk you through it all. Now, with the live pricing, this will be the best Purosangue with a mileage, spec, condition available on the market. Do your research to a true Ferrari enthusiast who understands them. Extras like this means a lot, because when you come to sell this car in 2 years, in 18 months, or whenever it might be that you're ready to sell it, it's things like that'll stand out. The colour scheme is lovely, inside, outside. You've then got the flat bottom, carbon fibre, LED shifted steering wheel with the elongated carbon fibre paddle shift. That new driver zone, it looks like something out of a computer game, and it's almost what you expect. You can configure that as well, depending on what sort of display you fancy, but the car is wonderful. I'm going to quickly start the car up because I think you deserve to hear this thing, because it's just... It's that V12. There isn't much out there that'll do that. Now, I don't think for a second anyone who's going to buy this car is going to go around crazy, like revving it. But when you're going through the gears, you can't help but just constantly go, this is an amazing piece of work. Mechanically, cosmetically, and then we talk about the craftsmanship of the build quality and the premium materials used throughout. My name's Joe. This is the Purosangue 2024 74 registration with a beautiful specification. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.